Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the background in your videos using the InShot app. Whether you want to add a cool new backdrop for your content or just make your videos look more professional, changing the background is super easy, so let's get started. First of all, find the InShot app on your home screen. Now open it. Now select the video that you want to change the background for. Here you can find the option of canvas. Simply tap on it. Under the canvas section, you will see an option of background. Simply tap on it. Now you can choose a solid color for your background by selecting one of the color swatches. Simply tap the color you like and it will automatically fill the background of your video, like this. And that's how you change the background of your InShot video. After selecting the one you like, simply tap on to write and save the video. And that's it, you have successfully changed the background of your video in InShot. Whether it's a simple color, a custom image or even a green screen effect, InShot gives you all the tools you need to make your videos stand out. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.